Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be looking at the leather interior seat that I installed a while ago. It's probably one of my favorite mods I've done to the truck, for sure. I've had them in for about 6 months, 7 months, and they still look good. I'm gonna look on their website real quick. I searched up on Google Clazzio seat covers, and their website is Clazzio.com. Right here you can choose the year of your vehicle, 2018. They got different makes, different models and stuff. Tacoma double cab. Alright, let's go. Alright, you can go ahead and do straight leather, color black. I went ahead and I did this. I wanted everything black, but you can actually go ahead and customize it to your liking. Leather, they got PVC, they got Napa leather, and they got suede. If you go all the way down to the bottom, you can go ahead and choose what kind of material you want. You can choose the color. They got black, light gray, ivory, burgundy, white, orange, dark brown, dark pink, light blue, dark gray, beige, red, blue, yellow, light brown, purple, and light pink. Let's say I wanted a red one, right? It'll give you an idea. Let's do this outside red. Let's do the insert color. Let's go ahead and let's say blue. Screw it, let's do blue. And then stitching color, I went ahead and I did black. But you can go ahead and say yellow. The stitching right there is yellow. They give you a good idea of what it's gonna look like. If you go with one of their existing options already, like let's say like you wanna do all black, it'll be $5.99. If you go ahead and customize it like the way I'm showing you guys in the example right now, it's gonna be $6.99. So custom ones are $6.99. To add embroidery, so what I did, I went ahead and added Tacoma to the headrest because I think it looks like a more OEM feel. The way they look already, it's already pretty OEM. It hugs it real nice. You can't really tell it's a seat cover. But yeah, I think that's always a nice touch. If you want to go ahead and do custom embroidery, you go and choose the stitching color you'd like, and then you go ahead and add a picture of the logo or whatever you want on there. And if you want that option, it'll be an extra $129. What I thought was really cool about having the custom headrest embroidery was they'll send you a picture, they'll send you a message, and they'll send you how like the progress of how the embroidery looks and if you like it or if you're happy with it. And he went ahead and sent it to me while he was doing it, and I thought that was really cool. I really enjoyed working with Clazzio. The quality of the seats it's really good. I'm super stoked with it. I have my dog in here from time to time. It's been holding up real nice. Just the customer service they provide is really good. I was really happy with that. I got my buddy Chris over in Colorado. He just picked up a brand new 2021 Tacoma and he was asking me about the seats. He went over, gave them a try. He's in love with them. One thing I will say is installing it it's not hard. I just looked up some YouTube tutorials. I wish I could have done that for you guys, but I didn't. I wasn't YouTubing at the time. Yeah, it took me about 3 days. It took me about 3 days in the sun doing it. Hands hurt after, but dude, I was sweating, dude. What my buddy Chris did, he took it to a local shop and they charged him $100 to put it in. They did it in 30 minutes. What took me 3 days, they did in like 30 minutes. So, I mean, depending on where you are, depending on the shops you're nearby, you could probably get them to do it for $100. Maybe a little more expensive, but if you want to skip the whole process of actually trying to do it yourself, I would recommend that. I wish I would have done that. You get the front seats, 2 front seat covers, you get the back cover, the headrest if you want it embroidered or not. This little cover right here, they even add that right there. Nice little touch. Overall, I think it makes the interior look a lot more classier, a lot more resistant. I'm super stoked with it. I'm sure there are other options out there. I never really looked into other options. I've seen a couple videos of people installing these seats, and when I saw the results, I was set on Clazzio. Here's one more look in the back. This is kind of dented in right here. That's my fault. I put my guitar amp back here and it's super heavy. You could definitely re-stretch that out. That's also something you should do. You install it tight and then you tighten it a bit more after a couple weeks after the heat and everything stretches it out a bit and it settles in. You can go ahead and pull that out from under here. You can go ahead and stretch that out. Another look at the front. Yeah, I just wanted to make a video just showcasing that, going more into depth about the seats. Got some more videos coming out on this truck. Got a couple more stuff coming in the mail for the truck, so I will be doing some more videos on it soon. And you can look online, look on YouTube, and look at some other videos of people who have had the seat cover. And they're super stoked with it too. So definitely recommend. Honestly, 10 out of 10 experience working with Clazzio. I really recommend you guys give them a try. Definitely worth it. Doesn't look like a seat cover at all. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just comment down below. The link to Clazzio will be down in the description. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.
I can't believe it's happened.